This video covers a C diminished seventh chord, a full diminished seventh. That is, it's built on C and it's minor thirds. It's a C7 chord. We're just turning everything into minor thirds. So you have here up a minor third, up a minor third, up a minor third. So you have a C, an E flat, a G flat, and a B double flat. It's not an A, it's a B double flat. Because that's really what it is. The two black keys, well, the 3 and 4 fingers are going to play them in each hand. And then the index and thumb play the others. That's the fingering for it. Except we're going to start on C here. And because we're starting on, for the left hand, the thumb plays it, you can use little fingers, your starting finger or turning around finger in the left hand. So it would be here. So I had to turn here, but this I didn't have to. It's handy, huh? And again, do the tremolo exercise, 1 and 2 octaves here. 1 note per beat and 2 notes per beat. And start here, whichever, just start. Just make sure you're accenting and drop the wrist on the accents, which in this case, it's every note. And then when you get all the way down, then you go 2 notes per beat, 2 octaves. 2 notes. Up, 2 octaves up and down. Then we do the full arpeggio pattern. 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves of 1, 2, 3, and 4 notes, parallel and contrary. And you can start an octave below middle C here. And this is 1 note. Accent every note. Drop the wrist on the accents. 2 notes. 2 octaves. 3 notes. 4. You get the whole pattern, that's fine. It drills it into your fingers, and this full diminished seventh chord is a good one for getting the feeling of the hands spreading, or the fingers spreading out. We need to develop that. There shouldn't be any strain or stress in the muscles. We're doing this with weight. We're relaxing the whole time. You got to focus on being relaxed. Good luck with that, but do the best you can.